Today, we're looking at Stellar Toolkit for Outlook, your all-in-one solution for repairing, recovering, and managing Outlook data. It comes with 7 powerful features. Number 1, repair corrupt PST files. Number 2, recover permanently deleted emails. Number 3, convert OST to PST. Number 4, split oversized PST files. Number 5, compact PST to reduce size. Number 6, merge multiple PSTs into one. And number 7, recover lost Outlook passwords. 1. Repair corrupt PST files. This feature lets you repair damaged PST files that can crash Outlook or make it inaccessible. You can restore emails, contacts, calendars, and attachments, all without losing any data. 2. Recover permanently deleted emails. Bring back important emails that have been permanently deleted, even if they're no longer in the deleted items folder. It works directly from PST or OST files, making recovery quick and easy. 3. Convert OST to PST. Turn inaccessible OST files into PST format so you can open them anytime in Outlook, even if the original account or Exchange server is no longer active. 4. Split oversized PST files. Break large PST files into smaller, manageable parts by size, date range, or folder to improve Outlook's performance and avoid corruption issues. 5. Compact PST to reduce size. Reduce PST size without losing data by removing duplicate items and unnecessary attachments. This keeps your Outlook running faster and more efficiently. 6. Merge multiple PSTs into one. Combine multiple PST files into a single file for easier searching, organizing, and managing all your emails in one place. 7. Recover lost Outlook passwords. Recover or reset forgotten PST passwords in just a few clicks, and regain access to your valuable data instantly. User interface and experience. The interface is user-friendly. Just follow the wizard. No technical background needed. You can preview everything before saving, and your original data remains untouched. Version comparison and licensing. Stellar Toolkit comes in 3 versions. Professional, $79 per year. Repair and save PST files. Technician, $149 per year. Adds split, compact, and more advanced tools. Toolkit, $199 per year. Includes all features, OST to PST, merging, and password recovery. Why it's worth it. If Microsoft Outlook is critical to your workflow, this toolkit is a smart investment. It gives you complete control over your data, better backups, and peace of mind. You can try the free demo before committing. The links are in the description. If you think Stellar Toolkit is the right solution for your Outlook issues, feel free to check the link in the description below. It will take you directly to the official Stellar website, where you can get the best deal available safely and securely. The link is legit, and you might even find special discounts or limited time offers when you get it through that page. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and grab Stellar Toolkit for Outlook at the best price today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Hobby IT channel, and hit the bell icon for more practical tech reviews. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.